Luke, I am your father.
This is pretty cool, guys. Check it this. This is a snorkel. It's one of those full face snorkels. I've always wanted to get one of these, and now I have. So thanks to G2RISE for sending me this to review. This is so cool. It is a SN01 snorkel. That's what this one is, the model for this one. It's a full face snorkel, as you can see, so this will fit right over your face. And it comes with some accessories as well, so some earplugs over here, and also this is pretty cool. It comes with a little camera mount which you can fit on top of this snorkel here. So if you've got a Insta camera or a GoPro or anything, you can put that on there. Obviously you have the underwater kits and everything, so you can film what you're doing when you're snorkeling or swimming or whatever you're doing. So that's it there with regards to the accessories. You also get the nice bag that it comes with some netting on so it can dry when it's wet, so that's available to you as well. And with regards to this one, this is the large and extra large. So there's the sticker on there that says large and extra large. I need to remove this before we use it, but that is the size for this one. You also get small and medium, and then kids extra small. Now the weight for the adult one is around 0.65 kilos or 1.43 pounds, and then for the child one it is about 0.55 kilos and 1.23 pounds. It's made of silicone, so it's nice and soft over here on the inside, and also plastic for the harder parts for the snorkel and everything else. Now the measurements are roughly 43 by 21 by 25 centimeters, so that's 16.9 by 8.3 by 10 inches for the adults, and then the kids ones are 37.6 by 19.6 by 22 centimeters, or 14.8 by 8.6 by 7.7 inches. I'll put all of that up on the screen so you can see. Now they do include a little booklet with a size chart, which I'll put over here to show you. Now you can see over there's a face, and it shows you how to measure for the size. So basically you've got to take from the bridge of your nose between your eyes and measure all the way down to your chin, and that length there will dictate the size of the snorkel that you want to get. So remember that if you want to order one, I will put the links in the description so you can go and have a look, but this little booklet is given to you to help you along over there. So this is the SN01 from G2RISE. So thanks again for sending me this. This is very cool. They also give you some spare little silicone seals over here. As you can see, just inside over there are two little seals, which is for the air intake and the valves. So you can see over there those round white pieces. These are little replacement ones for that, so they give you that, so that's cool. And then you can see the straps over here. You tighten these and loosen these to put this over your head, so this would go over the top of your head here, and this would come around. I will put it on so you can see what it looks like. And they do recommend men that have beards or stubble, quite thick stubble, would need to probably shave, because that can create gaps over here by the chin and the cheek area where water could get in. So you just need to make sure that your face is nice and smooth before you go snorkeling. Now for packaging, you can see this folds down and fits inside quite nicely, so it can fit in the bag. But to put it back to its use, you pull that all the way up. There is rubber inside there, so you can feel a bit of tension there, so you've got to push that all the way. You pull the clip over, tuck it in underneath this little clip over here. There's a little clip on the side there. You tuck it in like that, and then you pull back on this lever, and then it will pull the snorkel in towards it like so, and then you put the cap on, clip it, and now you're ready to go. And you can see it's nice and secure, and yeah, we're ready to use it. So I will put it on my face, see what it looks like. I will need to shave because I do have a beard, and that's the snorkel all ready to go. So how awesome is that? And you can see roughly the size of it here. If I get a pen, so that's a pen over there, so you can see how big it is from the side. So that's a pen, so it's a fairly sizable thing when once it's opened up in that. But it looks very cool. It looks very well made, nice and strong. The silicone feels very nice. And yeah, they say you shouldn't use it in temperatures over 35 degrees water, so obviously don't play around with it in hot water. And then also they say you should use it for around 20 minutes at a time, so no longer than that. So cool. Let's get this thing on and see what it looks like. Okay, so let's put on the snorkel. Now you can see I have a beard, so that would probably affect the water getting in, so I'll probably have to go and cut this shorter before I do test it underwater. But I've got the snorkel ready to go. You can see the straps. What I've done is I've loosened the straps all the way to the end. You can go a bit further if you move that over this little piece here. So I've gone all the way, and then what you do is I find it easier to put your chin in first and then sort of pull it over your head. So I'll show you how I put it on. I've still got the stickers on, which is fine, but I just want to show you how this goes on and what it looks like. And yeah, we'll go from there. So what I'll do is these straps will go over my ears, so I'll put my chin in like so.
And I don't know if you can hear me, maybe you do, but yeah, it sounds very muffled. But what you need to do is you've got to take these straps and sort of wiggle it around, and they say you need to wiggle the mask left and right and up and down until the V shape sort of is on your nose, and then you can feel the seal over here on your chin. And then it comes around here, and I can feel it sealed all the way nicely here. And you can see I'm breathing. If I breathe quite deeply, usually this would fog up with other goggles. If I had goggles on, it would just fog up after a while. But if I breathe deeply, if I go... and it's not fogging up at all. It's actually quite comfortable. I've got quite a big head, so this fits nicely. The extra large, the straps are okay. I do find it a bit difficult to talk like I am now and then breathing. You can hear me taking in a deep breath, so but not that you're talking while you're snorkeling, but for just breathing it's fine. And I'll show you what it looks like at the back if I turn around. So that's what it looks like at the back, and yeah, it's very comfortable. And looking out of it, I can actually see everything fine. Obviously the sticker's in the way, which is distorting things, but once that's taken off, then I'll be able to see quite easily. So yeah, see, I can see things that are small, pick them up, you know, no issue with that. You know, depth perception's fine. And yeah, other than it smelling of plastic because it's new, it's actually really comfortable. It's really good. Wow, it doesn't really feel like anything's on my face. So I need to trim this beard and then we'll go from there. But if I zoom in, we'll move forward. You can see what it looks like. You can see the seal. I don't know if you can see the seal there. So yeah, this looks cool. Oh, the breathing, wow. I feel like Darth Vader here. Luke, I am your father. Well, let's test it out.
Unfortunately, I don't have one of those sceneries near me with a nice white beach and nice blue waves and that. But anyway, I did remove the cover from the mask, as you can see, and then I'm connecting the snorkel, and this is what I captured. So that looks really cool. Actually, no. You'll have to do with me, my oversized hairy body, getting into a small hot tub, which wasn't very hot, by the way. So it was quite cool. And as you can see, I'm putting it on, I'm adjusting it so it's all fitting nicely. And then I do submerge my head into the water and start breathing. And it actually worked quite well. And the one thing I did notice straight away was the vision. and able to see everything around me, and it was crystal clear. It was nice. There was no middle pieces like goggles have by your noses in the way or anything like that. It was just a nice clear view of everything that I could see. The breathing was quite easy. I get quite sort of breathless when I go underwater for the first time, and I do take some deep breaths, and it was easy to breathe. And then I was feeling underneath to see if there was any water getting in because of my beard. And if you do have stubble, a little bit does get in, so you just need to adjust that. And then what I did was I went fully underneath the water with the snorkel and blew out the air, as you can see. And that blew out fine. And the little ball at the top actually moves up and down. So if you do go underwater, it blocks the snorkel from taking in any air. So if you do breathe in, it stops you, and it just sucks the face mask to your face. So you don't have a chance of sucking in water, which is really good. It's a nice safety feature. And then when you come up, you breathe as normal, and the ball will move again, and then you can breathe normally. But overall, it worked really well. I didn't have any leaking. No, not a lot of water came in, only a little bit because I was moving my chin and bending it around and stuff and feeling around and moving it. And again, with a bit of stubble, it did come in on the sides, as you can see where I'm showing over here, just on the edges. But other than that, it actually works really well. So if you don't have stubble or a beard, this mask is really cool. It's a really good snorkel. So I tried a few other things. I carried on playing around with it because I was looking at the bottom of the hot tub and just inspecting all the parts and everything. And it was so clear. It was so nice. And I really wish I had a nice ocean near me with some great sea life to view, because this snorkel is awesome for that. It's really, really good. And as you can see, the fitting on my head fits nicely. The straps fit nicely. They don't rub on anything. The seal goes nicely around the face, as you can see. And yeah, it's just really good. I really enjoyed using it, and I want to say thanks to G2RISE for sending it to me again. It was really awesome testing it out and playing around with it, and I'm definitely going to be taking it to the beach when I visit a beach, and even in a bigger pool. It will be really cool to use. It's very, very cool. So thanks once again, and I will see you guys in my next review. Cheers.